How to solve if your Windows 10 keeps locking randomly. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how you can solve if your Windows 10 device actually keeps locking itself randomly. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To solve this issue, open up settings. Then simply go to the option called accounts. Once you go to account, go to the option called sign in options. From sign in options, you'll find an option called dynamic lock. Automatically lock your device when you're away. You want to make sure to turn off this option and uncheck it that says allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you're away. So this is one of the things that you can do. The other thing you can do is if you have turned on any sort of screensaver or battery saver, that could be the reason. So go to system, go to power and battery, and ensure that you have not turned off your power mode to, let's say, the best power efficiency, or maybe balanced, or maybe to turn on battery saver at some kind of percentage. So that could be another reason why this happens. So I hope that the video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.